Hi everyone, today we're gonna unbox the Nutribullet SmartSense Blender Combo. And this blender set is super popular on Amazon right now because it's not too expensive, but it comes with a bunch of extra accessories. I'm Tina and welcome back to our Shouldit Blender series. First, we've got the user guide and the recipe book, and it's always a good idea to skim through them before your first blend. As for the extra accessories, there are two single-serve cups, which is nice if you want to prepare smaller portions. We also get two to-go lists, so you can blend and take it with you right away. And here's the Easy Twist Extractor blade. It's the blade you use with these cups and it twists on and off. And finally, we've got the tamper. This is what you use to push thick ingredient down while blending without touching the blades. And now for the main stuff. This is the 64-ounce mixture, so it's great for bigger batches. Plus, it's made of thick plastic, so it feels pretty durable. And here's the mixture lid with a pull spout on top, so you can pull it down, making a mess. And next, we've got the motor base. It's 1400 watt base, and it looks pretty slick. The surface feels smooth, and the power button is right here on the front. Wow! And when you press it, a small display will show up with different settings that allow you to blend a wide range of ingredients. Now let's have a look at how it works. And now we will blend some fresh ingredients to see how this blender performs. But before your first use, don't forget to clean all the components with soapy water. Alright, the blender runs really smoothly and it stays steady on the counter the whole time. The noise is there, but it's not unbearable. It's just what you expect from a full-size blender. We also like how the control panel works. There's basically no learning curve. You just press the button and the blender does its thing. The display is really clear too. It shows the timing and settings, so we always know what mode we are in and how long it's running. As for the result, our smoothie turned out smooth and even, nothing chewy or chunky, and we really enjoyed it. But this is just our first impression on this blender. We will test it and examine its details soon, so don't forget to subscribe for the full review. And if you're interested in this blender, there's an Amazon link in the description below. For other choices, you can check out our Shouldit blender series. And that's the Nutribullet SmartSense Blender Combo unbox. Thanks for watching Shouldit, and see you next time.